3, 2, 1.
What is the cause of rising surface temperatures of the Pacific Ocean, drought in the western United States, and flooding on the Pacific coast of South America? The answer is D. El Niño. When did the undergraduate program become coeducational? The answer is A. 1977. Bags, how would you do this? The answer is A. Keep marbles together. A kid in a yellow shirt is skating around a hockey rink. He is holding a hockey stick. What happens next? The answer is A. Shoots at the net and scores. Two children stand in front of a mat. They throw something onto the mat. They take turns jumping across the mat. What happens next? The answer is A. Pick up the item they threw on it. Why was the show The Wild Wild West cancelled? The answer is A. CBS canceled the show because of the violence. Which of these foods could contain small amounts of naturally occurring opium? The answer is B. Poppy seed bagels. What is the narrator concerned about? The answer is C. Mixing multiple pharmaceuticals. To combine small amounts of liquid, how would you do this? The answer is A. Mix them in a shot glass. What would happen if the narrator used sunscreen? The answer is C. He would have had severe burns. What do Chinese kids have for lunch on their birthday? The answer is D. Noodles. Who is Derek from Grey's Anatomy talking to? The answer is B. His sister, Nancy. Lisa Ray portrayed Diana Armstrong/Diamond in what 1998 film? The answer is B. The Players Club. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? The answer is B. Nitrogen. What village was designated as the official birthplace of Memorial Day by President Lyndon B. Johnson? The answer is D. Waterloo, New York. India became independent of British colonial rule in? The answer is C. 1947. How many wives did actor and film director Charlie Chaplin have? The answer is D. 4. Penny's class was learning how rapidly some changes can happen on Earth. Which event causes the fastest change to the surface of Earth? The answer is C. An earthquake cracking a road. In what year did the tunnel open? The answer is A. 2001. Why is Cynthia pushing for the narrator to buy a flashlight? The answer is B. Cynthia is thinking there may be a power outage. What was the Agatha Christie novel that related Hercule Poirot's final adventure? The answer is A. Curtain. Santa Claus is a mispronunciation of the word Sinterklaas by the English settlers of New York. The word Sinterklaas traces its origins to which country? The answer is D. Netherlands. How many churches are present in Plymouth? The answer is A. 150. Kathmandu Valley is home to about how many Baha'i? The answer is C. 300. Why is the narrator staring at the woman? The answer is C. They are marveling at her pregnancy. Why is so much work being put into the tracks? The answer is C. The town is looking to improve the surroundings. WW2. In which year did the Battle of Kursk occur? The answer is C. 1943. Yogurt is made with milk fermented with what?
The answer is A. Bacteria.
What happened to the kid? The answer is D. He was kicked off. People are playing a game of lacrosse in the street. A guy. What happens next? The answer is B. Moves the net around. The Super NES had how many pins in its non-proprietary connector? The answer is D. 12. What disease can too little calcium cause? The answer is B. Osteoporosis. Who played the role of the cheerful but vacuous assistant Coach Luther Van Dam on the popular show Coach? The answer is B. Jerry Van Dyke. Virtually all aquatic organisms depend directly or indirectly on what for food? The answer is D. Protists. Talc is the softest mineral listed on the Mohs scale of hardness. It is given a value of 1. Diamond is the hardest. What number is it given? The answer is D. 10. How many ships did Columbus set sail with on his initial voyage to the New World? The answer is B. 3. Which of the following groups was converted to Christianity in the 10th century CE by missionaries from the Byzantine Empire? The answer is C. Russians. To toast frozen waffles until they're crispy without a toaster, how would you do this? The answer is A. Put them in the microwave. In what year did UPS first start shipping packages to Guam? The answer is A, 1899. To hold a piece of wood in place while you saw through it, how would you do this? The answer is A, use clamps to hold the wood steady and in place. We see two men in a TV studio talking. What happens next? The answer is C, see people playing an indoor soccer game. When was the Puerto Rican Constitution written? The answer is A, 1951. Who should they go to for help? The answer is B, psychiatrists. Air defense in Pakistan was separated from the army in what year? The answer is B, 1990. What may happen after I was in the waiting area with kids? The answer is D, the kids acted like happy, freed prisoners. In old measures, how many chains made a furlong? The answer is B, 10. As of what year were 10,000 horsepower engines available? The answer is A, 1883. When did Windham speak against peace with France? The answer is B, 1801. When was War of the Worlds originally written? The answer is B, 1938. What is absolute zero in Celsius?